Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. All right, so we're back in our summer edition. Now let's go ahead and tackle that roof. The rain's all taken care of, it's now dry, and guess what's taking place up on that roof? Your sealants are beginning to dry and crack and shrink. You see, most sealants are actually made with an acrylic, and that acrylic is actually water-based. And because it's water-based, it shrinks. So twice a year, we want to get up on that roof of that RV, if you can, and go ahead and look at our seals. So we're going to start from the very beginning on one side, curbside or street side, whichever one you want to start. Start from the front, and you need to hands and knees all the way from the front to the back. I want you to investigate every single inch of those seals. Guys, it doesn't take a very big hole for that water to intrude and cause a huge problem. So the best thing to do is to get up there and investigate. Now, you can go with the same acrylic-based sealant, Dicor, Alpha Systems, or whatnot, but you may want to look at going with a different type of sealant. Now, this is called AFCAT. It's a polyurea. It doesn't shrink. It doesn't have that acrylic in there. Whichever one you want to go with, what you want to do is you want to clean that surface. Now, we don't want to get up there with any type of petroleum products. Just good old soap and water, some simple green or something like that. Scrub down where those seals are, where you need to address it, clean it and dry it. Let it dry. Then we're going to go ahead and apply that self-leveling Dicor, or we can go with that AFCAT. Now the difference between the two, AFCAT goes on like a silicone, and so therefore it doesn't self-level. You want to go ahead and spread that out. AFCAT or the Dicor can go over one application of your sealant. Now if you've got several applications, well, you got a little bit bigger problem on your hand. You need to pull off that older stuff. But for those of you who haven't done your seals yet, this is a good time during the summer to get up there, go ahead and clean off those seals and begin to repair the holes that you have in your roof. And there's your tech tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today. Just make stuff up.
And action. I'm not joking.
AFCAT. Meow. Yeah. I don't know. I must have leaned up against a donut. I was smelling the calories. 2 minutes. Can you hold it for 2 minutes?
Can you do a 2-minute tech tip in 2 minutes?
On the sides of... I'm just, if I can get her to go 2 minutes. So, and so if you're out there and you want to go get some sealant, why is that one funny? I tried to...
I can't watch this.
Oh, I lost one spot. Because holes are bad. I don't know why that's funny. All right, so yes.
No, don't say that.
Stay dry in the summer. Don't let the holes get you down. Stop laughing. Now, I'm off in the wrong. Can allow water in. And guys, it doesn't take a lot, guys, it doesn't take